Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Styleology. Everyone stylish and trendy. Today we are talking about one of the most versatile and stylish wardrobes, battle and layer lacking, whether it's a casual day out, a night on the town, or even a choosy winter look. Leather legging can evaluate your style effort. Leather leggings are a perfect blend of comfort and style. They are hug your body like a second skin, all giving a polished and eggy look that regular legging just cannot achieve. The beauty of leather legging lies in the versatility. Can dress them or down. They work in the almost every season for a casual in everyday look. Pair them oversized sweater and lot t-shirt and sneaker is a simple comfort and style. If you are heading out or of a night with friend, dinner, date, leather legging can easily without transformed into a glamorous outfit. Add a chic blouse, statement heels and come balls accessories, and you are ready to turn head a more leggy confident vibe. Pair them with the leather jackets, ankle boots, and blind lip color look that never goes out. Style leather legging also work perfectly in the colder month. Throw a long coat, choosy and knee. Got yourself a winter outfit and warm, fashionable. The best part about leather legging in the key out all body type, and they offer a slimming effect that keeping you comfortable throughout. The leather legging always focus on the fit and material. Choosy high quality leather legging that stretches and breathe. Feel confident and comfortable. A look pair leather legging investment that will last you the year and never go out. Stylish leggings, style them in your own inspired way. Do not forget to let me know in the comment section how was the video, how was the design. Tell me in the comment section. Please subscribe my video. Please subscribe my video. Tell me in the comment section how was the video, how was design. Goodbye dear friend. Till the next video. See you soon.